All my wrists is frost, all my women is boss. With my wrist with
And the double impact event where you are Rough Princess, Nunu Nell.
Hey, hip hop is real. Today was a dope event. The Young Ill, they fighting.
I think it's still a little low.
Oh, thank you, sir. Just winners off the. What winners I had?
Let's go. Math and Cortez, they came through against Young Ill.
I had Young Ill and Verb. I actually had them. I'm sorry, guys. I actually had them 3-0. Nobody.
Wow.
All their rounds were just better to me. NYB, their last round was short and awkward.
Okay.
But it was an overall good battle. I definitely had Verb and Ill 3-0.
What you thought about the Saga? You know, the last battle, the Saga and Big T against Clips and
You know
John
what?
John.
The Saga and Big T, actually, they're very well together. The Clips We Love is back with a lot of joking. And that battle, I didn't think that they would all pair up like together well. That was an overall good battle. I'm from Queens, but
she gonna marry me.
You got some fans going out here. Nah, definitely.
Yeah, it was an overall good battle. I couldn't stay for it all because we was packing up, but on both sides it was going pretty good.
Well, the Tay Rock and K-Shine, you know.
Yeah, and then we was chilling. We was up there at the and that's when
T-Top,
what you thought about that? T-Top and Briz.
and
Chilla and B Magic, yo. T-Top, you did your thing tonight too, man. That shit was crazy, right? That probably was one of the best performances of the night.
Oh yeah, man. Our 2-on-2 is crazy, man. Y'all know how we do. Yeah, man. Oh my bad. Next time.
Nah, they was actually fire. And I give Briz is becoming one of my favorites. Right?
Oh, word?
I have a twin. I will lie if you even say I said that.
That's a fact.
No, he was they were dope.
Briz
They was dope. I think the overall event was dope. The Bear came out and get a Bear Witness CD.
Nah, for real.
Do what you gotta do with that.
I came with the full box, leaving with the empty box. That's how we do.
So that means you make money.
Bear Witness too. iTunes, Google Play, Tidal, Spotify, all that good shit.
Hey man, why you scared of ass?
Right now. Look at that.
Do it right now. Talk to him. He don't want to battle right now though. He got 3 rounds right now.
You scared? You scared? You scared? T-Top with ass?
Ain't got 3 rounds right now though.
Man, Briz.
You don't want to BBQ.
Crazy. Send me.